corporations have smokers on staff. And by going out for 4 to 6 smoke breaks a day, that is a loss in productivity. And and then of course more sick days. So if you get off the cigarettes, then the employees, they feel appreciated and cared for. They have more stamina and more energy and more money. And of course, the corporation will have increased productivity because their employees are not going out for numerous smoke breaks and missing time off work because of health reasons related to smoking. Not to mention, the employees have improved life expectancy of over 10 years. So I think it's win-win for the employee and the employer, but it's definitely a win-win for the employer, because if their employees are not going out for numerous smoke breaks, there's more productivity and more money to be made. There's over $15 billion in lost productivity in Canada, all due to people going out on smoke breaks, which is lost productivity for corporations. So it just makes sense to get their employees off cigarettes. And with our mobile corporate program, this is a good option for employers. There's lost productivity, there's more sick days. So it just makes sense. If you want your employees to get off cigarettes, then give them a method that works to help them achieve that goal, rather than just demanding to get off the cigarettes. But with our corporate program, it's extremely effective. We come right to the workplace and treat clients right there. It takes about 20 minutes per client. So within 30 minutes, the employee is walking out a non-smoker, and then no more smoke breaks.